my angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So for today's video, I want to make something a little different, something I haven't made in over a year. I'll be making a sandwich, and that sandwich is the spicy shrimp salad sandwich, which I created the recipe for over 15 years ago. At that time, I was still a student at the International Culinary Schools at the Art Institutes. The location was in Fort Lauderdale. As a matter of fact, I was still working for Broward County Risk Management Division at the time. So come along with me. Let's get started on the spicy shrimp salad sandwich. Come along with me into the kitchen. Let's go. Let's get into the kitchen. Let's go. I'm using a Riesling for the white wine, but you can also use Chardonnay. The white wine I'm using will be a Riesling. Yeah. No. Dicing it into the smaller 1/8 inch size will hold the salad together better. used. I completely forgot how wonderfully delicious this spicy shrimp salad was when I made it 15 years ago. When I made it today, I tasted it. Oh my goodness. So good. So I would suggest that you do the same thing. Use it as a salad, not just in a sandwich. So I would suggest that you do the same thing. Use it as a salad. Take some lettuce, chop it up, or leave it whole. Place some of this spicy shrimp salad on top of it, and you will love it just as much as I did. Give it a try. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? This is very simple. Look at how good and delicious this looks. Look at it, look at it, look at it. So tell me, how do you like this simple recipe? I know it's a lot of cutting with all the vegetables, but it was well worth it. If you make it yourself, let me know if you did. Place it down in the comments and let me know how you like yours. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this recipe, please give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. Share, comment, and subscribe. And if you are one of my subscribers, make sure your notification bells are turned on so you won't miss any new videos. And if you aren't already subscribed and you like these types of recipes, please make sure you subscribe now and turn on your notification bells. Remember, be the blessing to someone if it's any way in your power to do so. As always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.